Hi, John. How's it going?
Hey, Sarah. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, just had a long day at work. How was your day?
It was pretty good. The weather's been great today, not too hot.
That's nice to hear. By the way, I heard it's going to rain tomorrow.
Really? I didn't check the weather forecast. I hope it won't be too heavy.
Yeah. Fingers crossed. Anyway, let's grab some dinner. How about that Italian restaurant down the street?
Sounds good to me. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you go.
I think I'll have the spaghetti carbonara, please.
I'll go with the lasagna, and can I get that with extra cheese, please?
Sure, coming right up. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
And I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
Great, I'll be back with your orders in a moment.
John, do you know how to get to the new art gallery downtown? I heard it's fantastic.
Yes, it's not too far from here. I can show you on the map after dinner.
That would be great. I really appreciate your help.
No problem, happy to assist.
Here are your orders. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
This looks delicious. Cheers!
So, John, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm planning to visit my parents. They live in the countryside.
That sounds nice. I'll probably spend the weekend reading. I'm a big fan of mystery novels.
Oh, that's interesting. I've never tried reading mysteries. I usually prefer sci-fi.
Sci-fi is great too. We should exchange book recommendations sometime.
Absolutely, I'd love that.
Here's your bill. Whenever you're ready.
I'll take care of it. It's been a great evening, Sarah.
Thank you, John. See you later.
Until next time, Sarah. Take care.